everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing super well. Today's video is going to be a collab. It is a Valentine's themed one and it is with Alix's Patreons. If you don't know Alix, get to know Alix. But I'll leave everyone that's taken part, Lizzie is down below, and go and check them out after you watched my video. That would mean a lot to us all. Go and show some support. So let's jump on in. I've already prepped my eyes with the P. Louise eye base. By the way, I've just filmed another look before this. It is with colour. It has stained my eyes. So if that's coming through, that is why. It went horribly wrong. So I had to take it off and we're starting again. So I'm going to jump in to the gold Huda Beauty Obsession palette. I've not actually used this, but if you watched my makeup buys, you would have seen my makeup buys and I used it in there. So let's just jump on in and play with some makeup. Take this first shade here, which is this brown. I'm just taking this on the Morphe 330 brush. Just because that's what Valentines, I know Valentines are about the pinks and the reds, but if I was to go out, not that we are at the minute, but I would probably do like a brown smoky eyed look. And then I think I'm going to take this deep brown shade here. I'm going to go into this brown shade here, the deep brown, in my Morphe 506 brush. Down. Yeah, like that. And then I'm just going to place this on the outer V and kind of bring it through my crease. I'm going to take that first brush just here, which is the Morphe 330, and I'm going to blend this out. I know it looks super crazy, but it will look a lot better. And then I'm going to take P. Louise and Mima Mitchell's Blank Canvas and I'm going to cut the inner half of my eye, kind of like a cut crease. And I'm going to take this on my MAC 275 brush. So I've kind of cut it like this. I know it looks super weird, but it will make sense in a second. I'm going to take this shade here, which is this kind of, I'll do a swatch. It looks like so. And I'm going to go into this with like my Amazon brush with that gold kind of styling. I'm not going to use any like setting spray or any spray. I'm just going to go into this with a dry brush for now and see how it applies. Yeah, it's not applying very well with that brush. I'm just gonna see if I can like make it better with a bit of spray. I think I'm gonna have to go into this with my finger. I'm gonna go in with like my smallest one just here. See, it's not picking up loads of product on my finger either. Maybe I'm just using the wrong one. Oh, it's applying nice now. Of course it is. Their brush, and it's applied really nice, so maybe it's just that one shade in the palette that you're better off using a finger with. So I'm going to go back into the Morphe 506 brush and I'm going to go back into that deep brown shade here and just really try and deepen up the outer V, just so if any shimmer's kind of gone onto that bit, it's a bit more clean. Then I'm going to go into this brush. I'm going to take that same brown shade and I'm going to apply this really tightly, just kind of through here, just to get that like extra dimension, so through on top of where I've applied that gold shade. And then I'm going to go back into that one I just used before, so the Morphe 506, and just blend this out. So that is kind of like the gold shimmer applied. I don't know whether I brought it up like just a tiny bit too high. It just, my eye shape sometimes can be really deceiving. I feel like that's the issue sometimes with like a hooded eye. You know what, I'm just going to leave it there. So let's crack on and do some of my base before we crack eye going off camera and do my other eye. I'm going to go into this XX Revolution Cloud Complexion Primer, and we're just going to apply this all over my face. So what I'm going to go do is do my other eye off camera, and then we'll come back and I'll do the rest of my face. Hi everyone, so I'm back. As you can see, my eyes are done. I've also applied some lashes, and these are the same ones that I always use. But yeah, this is how my eyes look. You know what? I had to bring that brown shade, this deeper brown, straight to like the inner corner of my eye to really make it work, because I wasn't in love once I finished this one. But now, you know, I think it looks super stunning. So let's go in, and what I'm going to do for this next bit is zoom everything up. I'm not going to speak. You guys can see what I put on. I just think that's quite calming, because you guys know how I do my face makeup now. It's quite boring watching it 10,000 times over. So let's do that. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this second part. I really thought I would just kind of whiz through it. Let me know if you did down below. Let me know what you think of this look. Go and check out all the other girls, but until then, I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.